Ever pondered the fate of your old smartphone or computer? Where do these devices go when they cease to serve their purpose? The answers to these questions lie in the fascinating world of technology recycling. In the dawn of the technological era, during the mid-20th century, the concept of recycling was virtually non-existent. Back then, a television set or a radio was a luxury item, often kept for decades and repaired as needed. When they finally gave up the ghost, they often ended up in the local landfill, along with the rest of the household waste. Fast forward to the 80s and 90s, the age of rapid technological advancement. The advent of personal computers and mobile phones resulted in a surge of electronic waste. Yet, the idea of recycling technology was still in its infancy. Most discarded electronics still ended up in landfills or incinerators, posing serious environmental risks. Enter the new millennium, the turning point for technology recycling. With the realization of the environmental impact of electronic waste, governments and organizations worldwide started to take action. Regulations were put in place and recycling programs were launched. Companies began to invest in research and development to create more efficient recycling processes. The past decade has seen a significant leap in technology recycling. Innovations in recycling processes have made it possible to recover precious metals from old devices, turning electronic waste into a valuable resource. Today, technology recycling is not just an environmental initiative, it's a thriving industry. This journey from landfills to recycling plants is a testament to the power of innovation and the commitment to a sustainable future. It's a story of how humanity has adapted and evolved to protect the planet. To summarize, the evolution of technology recycling has come a long way from its non-existent beginnings in the mid-20th century. The 80s and 90s marked a period of growing awareness, while the new millennium saw the implementation of regulations and the birth of recycling programs. The past decade has been marked by significant advancements in recycling processes, turning electronic waste into a valuable resource. The importance of technology recycling cannot be overstated. It serves as a solution to the growing problem of electronic waste, helps conserve precious resources, and contributes to a healthier planet. So the next time you're ready to bid farewell to your old device, remember, its story doesn't have to end in a landfill. It can be the beginning of something new, something valuable, something sustainable. From the mid-20th century to the present day, the impact of technology recycling on Earth has been profound. Let's take a step back in time and examine the journey. From the moment we realized the importance of technology recycling, the landscape of waste management began to change. The mid-20th century marked the beginning of a significant reduction in landfill waste. As we became more aware and more responsible, the subsequent decades saw a consistent decrease in environmental pollution. The extraction of precious metals from old devices, a practice that has been refined and perfected over time, has led to the conservation of invaluable natural resources. Fast forward to the present day, and we are transforming electronic waste into valuable resources. The journey of technology recycling has not only transformed the fate of electronic waste, but also contributed significantly to the health of our planet over the years. Let's take a moment to appreciate the profound impact of technology recycling on Earth. Since the mid-20th century, it has dramatically reduced landfill waste, giving a new lease of life to discarded devices. Furthermore, it has led to a significant decrease in environmental pollution, courtesy of the proper disposal of electronic waste. And let's not forget about the conservation of natural resources. The extraction of precious metals from old devices is a treasure trove in itself. The journey of technology recycling has not only transformed the fate of electronic waste, but also contributed significantly to the health of our planet. Scene 9. Now, let's delve deeper into the actual processes of technology recycling. It all starts with the collection and transportation of electronic waste from various places, such as your home, office, or local collection facilities. Once collected, these devices are manually sorted and dismantled, with valuable components being separated from those that are hazardous or non-recyclable. The subsequent step involves shredding and sorting, where machines break down the devices into smaller pieces and segregate them based on the type of material. This is followed by the extraction and purification of precious metals like gold, silver, and copper, which can be reused in the production of new devices. In the end, the recycled materials are prepared for resale, ready to be incorporated into new products. These procedures ensure that every piece of your old device is put to good use, contributing to a more sustainable future.